Imagine this: the lights are low, soft carols play in the background, and your guests gather around a table glowing with warmth. The centerpiece, elegant, enchanting, and effortlessly festive, becomes the soul of the room. It's the very first thing everyone notices, and the last thing they forget. What if you could design a Christmas centerpiece that turns an ordinary table into a breathtaking moment of magic? A piece that ties your entire decor together and feels like it was made for the season itself? In today's video, we're diving deep into the art of creating the perfect Christmas table centerpiece, one that captures the heart of the holidays. Whether your style is rustic and natural or sleek and modern, by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to design a centerpiece that transforms your Christmas table into something extraordinary. How do you balance height, proportion, and visibility when styling your centerpiece? A common mistake people make when designing a centerpiece is forgetting that guests will actually need to see each other across the table. A stunning arrangement loses its charm if it blocks faces or feels overwhelming. The secret is finding harmony between beauty and function. Start by visualizing the flow of conversation. Your centerpiece should feel present but not intrusive. If you're using tall elements like candles or branches, make sure they're either high enough that people can see beneath them, or low enough that they don't block the line of sight. This creates a sense of openness while still feeling luxurious. Play with height variation to make your design visually dynamic. A centerpiece that has levels, tall candles surrounded by medium greenery and lower ornaments, feels layered and alive. It invites the eye to move, to explore, to appreciate. Proportion matters too. A narrow table doesn't need an enormous centerpiece. Let your decor breathe. Sometimes a few scattered elements across the middle, candles, sprigs of pine, and ornaments, look far more refined than one oversized arrangement. The goal is not to dominate the table, but to complement it. The most beautiful centerpiece feels effortless, like it belongs, not as decoration, but as part of the moment itself. Don't forget to like and share this video if you're finding inspiration for your own Christmas table design. Why is the centerpiece the most important part of your Christmas table? The centerpiece is more than just decoration. It's the storyteller of your table. It draws the eye, sets the tone, and creates a focal point that pulls everything together. When you walk into a room and see a beautifully arranged centerpiece, it immediately tells you that something special is about to happen there. Your centerpiece acts as the heartbeat of your Christmas dinner. It creates intimacy between guests, bringing them closer together in shared warmth and conversation. A glowing candle, a cluster of greenery, or a shimmering bowl of ornaments. Each element contributes to the energy of connection. The magic of a centerpiece lies in its power to change the way people feel. A table with no centerpiece can look bare and disconnected. But add a thoughtful arrangement, a touch of nature, a hint of sparkle, a soft flicker of candlelight, and suddenly, the table becomes alive. It becomes the stage for memories, laughter, and togetherness. Think of it like this: the centerpiece doesn't just decorate your table, it defines it. It whispers, "This is where we celebrate." If you believe every Christmas table deserves its moment of magic, hit that like button and let's keep going. What natural materials can you use to make your centerpiece come alive? Nature is the greatest designer you'll ever collaborate with. The beauty of using natural materials is that they already carry the essence of Christmas: texture, fragrance, warmth, and timeless charm. Start with fresh greenery. Pine, cedar, and eucalyptus are not only visually stunning, but also fill the room with an intoxicating scent that no artificial fragrance can replicate. You can weave them together into a garland, drape them across your table, or let them spill gracefully from a vase. Each branch brings a sense of organic beauty that feels alive and real. Add pinecones for texture. Their earthy tones balance the greens perfectly and create a cozy woodland look. You can leave them natural for a rustic vibe or dust them lightly with white paint or biodegradable glitter to mimic fresh snow. Citrus fruits like dried oranges or lemons add a pop of color and warmth. Their soft orange hue and sweet aroma complement both rustic and modern tablescapes. Mix in cinnamon sticks, star anise, or cranberries. These simple touches infuse the air with that nostalgic, unmistakable Christmas scent. Wooden accents like carved boards, slices of tree trunks, or small twigs can act as natural bases for candles or jars. They create contrast and ground your arrangement with a raw, authentic texture. And for a final flourish, a few sprigs of holly or mistletoe never fail to add that traditional holiday charm. When you work with nature, your centerpiece doesn't just look beautiful, it feels beautiful. Every element carries a story of the season, of winter, of life. Want more nature-inspired ideas? Check the description for my full Christmas centerpiece inspiration guide. How do you choose a theme that suits your centerpiece and your home? Choosing the right theme is where the creative journey begins. It's not just about what looks pretty, it's about how you want your home to feel when people walk in. The theme should flow naturally with your existing decor and carry the emotional message of your Christmas celebration. If your home leans toward a traditional aesthetic, you might embrace the timeless charm of red berries, pine cones, and gold accents. Imagine a lush garland filled with greenery, dotted with little red ornaments, glowing under candlelight. It instantly feels nostalgic and comforting, like a scene from a classic Christmas movie. For those who love a touch of modern elegance, consider a monochromatic palette. Whites, silvers, and soft grays create a serene, frosty effect, a winter wonderland brought indoors. Glass candle holders, frosted pine branches, and metallic ornaments can make your table look effortlessly sophisticated. And if you're drawn to nature, bring the outdoors in. A centerpiece made from fresh pine, eucalyptus, and wooden elements gives your table a rustic authenticity. The scent alone is enough to transport everyone into a cozy cabin in the woods. The key is harmony. Your centerpiece should feel like a continuation of your space, not something that competes with it. Look at the textures, colors, and atmosphere in your room and ask, what kind of Christmas do I want to feel here? The answer to that question will always guide your centerpiece to perfection. Don't forget to subscribe for more cozy and elegant Christmas styling ideas every week. How can you create a show-stopping centerpiece using what you already have? You don't need to buy anything new to make something extraordinary. The magic of Christmas decor often lies in reimagining what's already around you. Start by gathering items from your home: vases, bowls, trays, or even cake stands. A simple glass vase filled with ornaments, pine branches, or cranberries can become a stunning centerpiece in minutes. You can use an old serving tray as a base, arranging candles, greenery, and a few personal items like ornaments or small figurines to create depth and meaning. Repurposing what you own adds a layer of nostalgia and storytelling to your design. Maybe you use a vintage bowl passed down from your grandmother, or a piece of driftwood collected on a family trip. These little details turn your decor into a conversation piece, something with soul. Mix textures and heights. Layer fabrics, add mirrors or wood bases underneath, and build upward to draw the eye. Contrast is your best friend. Combine soft with rough, shiny with matte, light with dark. Every difference you create adds richness and sophistication. And don't be afraid to break the rules. If you have a beautiful wreath, place it flat on the table and set a few candles in the center. If you have extra ornaments, scatter them loosely around your centerpiece. Christmas styling is about feeling, not perfection. When you decorate with heart, it shows. For more creative reuse and DIY centerpiece ideas, check out my Christmas table decor playlist linked below. How can candles and lighting transform your centerpiece? Lighting is pure emotion. The moment you add candles to your centerpiece, the atmosphere changes. It becomes softer, deeper, and infinitely more romantic. Candlelight is the language of intimacy. It makes every reflection shimmer and every smile glow. If you want your table to feel warm and inviting, mix different heights of candles. Tall taper candles add drama and sophistication, while shorter pillar candles bring balance. Place them in glass holders, brass stands, or even small jars wrapped in lace or ribbon. When they flicker together, they create rhythm, a gentle dance of light that feels almost alive. You can also use fairy lights or LED strands woven gently through greenery for a subtle sparkle that lasts all night. They're safe, energy efficient, and perfect for creating that ethereal glow. If your table has reflective surfaces like glass, mirrors, or metallic accents, the lights will multiply beautifully, bouncing warmth across the room. For a modern twist, use candles in soft, neutral tones like ivory, champagne, or blush. For something traditional, go with deep reds or greens. And if you want pure elegance, nothing beats the simplicity of crisp white candles against lush greenery. Candles don't just illuminate your table, they illuminate the feeling of Christmas itself. They remind everyone that the holidays are about warmth, closeness, and moments that flicker softly in our memories long after the night is over. Check the description for links to all the candle styles and holders featured in this video. Imagine this. The lights are low, soft carols play in the background, and your guests gather around a table glowing with warmth. The centerpiece, elegant, enchanting, and effortlessly festive, becomes the soul of the room. It's the very first thing everyone notices, and the last thing they forget. What if you could design a Christmas centerpiece that turns an ordinary table into a breathtaking moment of magic? A piece that ties your entire decor together and feels like it was made for the season itself? In today's video, we're diving deep into the art of creating the perfect Christmas table centerpiece, one that captures the heart of the holidays. Whether your style is rustic and natural or sleek and modern, by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to design a centerpiece that transforms your Christmas table into something extraordinary.